Welcome to my channel. My name is Femi Akinwale. I'm a chartered accountant. I've worked in an insurance and finance company for more than 25 years. If today is the first day you are seeing my channel for the first time, what I want you to do for me is to like this video. When you like this video, subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. So today we shall be looking at 6 Nigerian stocks to buy this December for maximum returns. Don't miss out. 6 Nigerian stocks to buy in Nigeria in December 2025 so that for maximum returns in the first quarter and second quarter of 2026. So in this video, I will make mention of these 6 stocks. At the same time, at the end of mentioning these 6 stocks, I'm going to give you bonuses of stocks that you can put into your portfolio this particular month of December. And I can assure you, by the time you are reviewing in the first quarter of 2026, by the time you are reviewing the price movement, you will have thanked God for what you have done this particular time. So quickly, let us move to the scenarios of these topics. So we shall be looking at these topics in the area of strongs, in the area of 6 top performing stocks to buy this time around. Why December is the right time for you to be able to buy these stocks. At the same time, key financial indicators that you need to look for when you are buying this kind of stock. At the same time, the risks that you must consider before you invest in this kind of stocks, and how to position yourself for the year, position yourself for 2026 profit margin. So this time around, we shall be, looking at these stocks. The first stocks we are going to consider is MTN Nigeria. MTN Nigeria is one of the most, stable revenue companies in Nigeria. And because of their high data and their fintech adoption, they have been consistent in their dividend payments because of the revenue generation. Any company that has been paying dividend on a frequent and regular basis is an healthy company. And based on this kind of communication companies, is one of the leader in the communication industry in Nigeria. Then why buy this kind of stocks in Nigeria? Because investors accumulate ahead of the year end dividend season, at the end of the, because a lot of the companies, their accounting year is by December. So by first quarter, they will have prepared their accounts and then, declare the normal profit sharing, which is a dividend to shareholders. So if you can come in at this time around, you are entitled to, before their cut-off date of dividend payment, you'll be entitled for dividend payment for coming year after preparing their financials for the year 2025. So MTN is one of the stocks that you should consider this year, especially this December, and then for maximum returns in the year 2026. Then we move to number 2. Number 2 is Guaranty Trust Bank, also known as Guaranty Trust Holding Companies. Guaranty Trust Holding Company, GTCO, a strong asset and high profitability, cost-efficient bank with solid earning per share. So these are very good banks that are being consistent in their dividend payment for years. So, and the price of GT Bank in the stock of exchange is at discount by this time around, because most of this Nigerian banking sector, they are selling below their value. Can assure you, if you can be able to come into this GTB for now, you make a lot of money by the year 2027. That is, it's one of the best dividend stocks in Nigeria. Then we move to Nigerian Breweries. Nigerian Breweries has been in existence for long, and then for their rebounding from previous loss, they have been rebounding from previous losses. They have, moved away from losses to, and they've entered into the profit margin, profit increment levels. Increasing demand during, especially this December. Why do we want to invest in Nigeria? Because most of their products will be, will be demand in an increment manner because of the festive period that we have. At the same time, why do you want to buy? Why do you have to buy this particular December? Because festive season, higher sales, and then price boost. When there's higher sale, when they generate more money, then the price of that stock will be boosted, and then at the end of the year, you make capital gains. Then we move to number 4. Number 4 is Dangote Cement. Dangote Cement is one of the leader, is the major producer of cement in Africa. So, and it has been consistent in the dividend payment. So if you can be able to invest at the current price of Dangote Cement by this December, you make a lot of money. You make a maximum returns of your investment by the first and second quarter of next year. You can be, if you can remember, in the respect of 2004 account, this year 2025, Dangote Cement 30 naira per share. So it's one of the leader, it's one of the highest paying dividend, in the manufacturing sector this year 2025. So it's still going to follow the trend. So you should be able to look at these particular scenarios and make a lot of money on your investment in the year 2025. Why December? Why do you have to buy? Because the price, a lot of people, the price will surge this part this December. The purchase, I mean, the demand of cement will move up, especially a lot of people want to complete their construction of the house and whatever, construction of roads here and there. This make this company to be a viable company that if you put your money into this for both long time and for dividend payment, you make a lot of money in the year 2026. Then these are stability, strong fundamental analysis. Then we move to the next one, which is FBN Holdings Nigerian Limited PLC, FBN Holdings, improve management and asset quality, strong investors' confidence, better profitability, and the digital banking expansion. These are the criteria for First Bank. First Bank has been moving on, expanding in the area of branches, in the area of digital banking. Why you have to consider FBN Holdings at this time around? History of strong years and rallies. History of strong year and most of the banks are, their liquidity is being, will be improved by this December. A lot of money that will come into with them, and then they use your money to generate another money. That is the beauty of banking sector, and they generate a lot of profit from their customers. So, and which they share as dividend to their shareholders period. At the same time, which will have effect on the price of that particular stock. So most of these stocks that we have mentioned, today, because of the current, because of the current situation in the market, the prices are in this. They are below their current value. So if you can come in this regard. So these are various, stocks, 6 stocks that you can look at it, that can put it to your watch list for December 2026. So what are the bonus? The bonus is you need to look at all these stocks that I'm going to mention, but you too, you have to do your own due diligence. It's an eyes opener. You can look at the area of AICO insurance. If you can be able to put your money, because they will conclude their capitalization. Insurance company will complete their recapitalization by next year, and the prices are below their current value. So if you can be able to come into these stocks, Nigerian insurance company that I'm going to mention as a bonus, you look at AICO, look at Sovereign Trust Insurance PLC, look at NEM Insurance PLC. I want you to look at Mansa Insurance. Also, you can look at Mansa, you can look at NEM Insurance Company. At the same time, you can look at UBA. UBA is a very good company that you can quickly put it to. All these companies, they are selling at a very ridiculous price this December. So you can quickly take position if you have free fund and make a lot of money. You look at Zenith Bank, you look at Nigerian Flour Mills. At the same time, you look at, if you want to invest in the passive income to be earning dividend, you look at the company like Bua Foods, like Dangote Cement, like Zenith Bank, like GTCO, like UBA, like Fidelity Bank, like FCMB. All these companies that I've mentioned, all these banks that I've mentioned, declare profit on a regular manner. So you can put them into your portfolio for this December and see how you are going to grow, create wealth for yourself for the year 2026. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, what I just want you to do for me is to like this video. When you like this video, you are helping our channel. It makes our channel to grow, and it makes YouTube to automatically share this video to so many people for them to be able to be abreast of this vital information. At the same time, I want you to subscribe to my channel. When you subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell notification so that whenever I'm giving out a valuable video like this, you'll be among the first person to watch. Thank you for watching this video to the end and for subscribe and like my video. Thank you.